Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. At the caravan, getting it ready for going away. Watch this video. So I'm going to reconnect the battery. If anybody's been watching the channel regularly, they know we have all sorts of problems with the battery coming loose. So I'm going to reconnect it because I leave it charging in the garage, and hopefully the connections will stay on. And also I'm going to, I've been told it's best to leave the brake off when we leave it in storage, so I'm just going to make sure that's off, so the brake doesn't seize on it. Apparently it can seize. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the camera, but we need to give this a good clean. It's so dirty. One of the problems with it being in storage, it's hard to clean it because you don't really have a water supply, and it's sometimes hard to get to the roof of the caravan and stuff because you're in storage and you're crammed up against other caravans. We might either tow it home and give it a clean on the drive, or we get someone in to do a proper good clean on it, but that is filthy, isn't it? We've got dry sparkle, but we've dry sparkled it to death recently. We need to give it a good proper soapy wash. A lot of the stuff's in the caravan ready to go away. I just need to, as I say, reconnect the battery and just make sure everything else is ready to go. Put that table away as well. That needs to be put away. I can't tow with that table out. So I thought while I'm sorting the caravan out, I'll give a little update and such like on the channel. Hope you're all still enjoying watching it. I hope you watched the recent videos we did from the NEC, the Motorhome and Caravan show. Did a couple of good videos from there. Weirdly, the first video got loads of people watching it and seemed to be very popular, loads of likes. And I always find that when the part 2 part of it didn't had only a fraction of the viewers. I always seem to find that if we do any videos, like we go away somewhere for a while and we spread it over 2 or 3 videos, the first one gets loads of views, second one gets slightly less, and the third one gets less. I don't know if it's like a diminishing returns thing when it comes to that, but I hope you do get to check out part 2 as well of the NEC show. There's some more caravans and vans that looked at, and also a bunch of celebrity guests that crop up in it, so I hope you enjoy that. Also, I don't know if you guys are interested in the 60-second van tours videos that we do. What we do is when we go out viewing all various caravans, we re-edit some of the videos into little short 60-second snippets, and it gives you just a little brief tour, and so you can get a look around various different caravans. There's loads. There's a playlist. I'll see if I can link out to it, but it's a good way of like looking around various different caravans, camper vans, motorhomes, do all of them. And just especially if you're going to get one, or you're considering it, or you're just even nosy to see what other caravans and things look like inside, it just gives you a good look around. I hope you do check those out. They seem to be moderately popular, and I don't think any other channel does that. So I hope you get to enjoy those as well. So the plan is we're going away in the caravan this weekend. I'm just getting various bits and bobs ready. I need to reconnect the battery, as I've said, and just make sure everything's packed in the caravan ready to go. It's been a little while since we've been in the caravan, so it's just give it a good run out. It needs a good clean. I don't think we can do that on the site we're going to, but we'll get that sorted over the autumn/winter break. Hope you've been also enjoying our other videos, non-caravan related stuff. We are still a caravan channel. Majority, 99% of our videos are us doing caravanny stuff, going away in the caravan. But we thought, because we do other things apart from the caravan. I mean, we recently went on our holiday to Orlando and did all the theme parks and stuff. I hope you watched that video and enjoyed it. And we've got a couple of other videos that we've got in the pipeline of us doing other stuff beyond just the caravanning. I hope you guys stick with us and watch those. I know some people just watch us for the caravan and the motorhomey and the stuff content, but if you do enjoy us enjoy watching us doing our thing as a family and going exploring, it's going to be not just us doing anything, but us usually getting around and travelling about. We've got trips to London, trips to Alton Towers, all sorts of other stuff that we've got in the pipeline. So just if you don't like that sort of stuff and just like the caravan stuff, you can just ignore the ones that we do that aren't caravan related. And if you do like watching us as a family doing our little adventures and travelling around doing other stuff, they'll be there for you to watch and hopefully enjoy those as well. We try to do it in the same sort of style and not to take ourselves too seriously and just have fun sort of family times and take you along for our days out on adventures. So hopefully you enjoy that. Another video we've got coming up soon is this. We're going to do an unboxing for the mystery item. This was given us by the Iasons, another caravan channel. You should check out their channel. When we met them at the NEC, we've been complaining about something over and over again, not just the battery, but something else to do with the caravan, and I think they got sick of us complaining about it, and they bought us this little special gift. So we're going to do an unboxing. Can you unbox something that's in a plastic container? But we're going to do an unboxing and see if we can set it up, and keep an eye out for that in a future video. And now I suppose I better do what I've been dreading doing. I've got to try and put that battery in and reconnect it, and hopefully the clips won't come apart again. It's an absolute nightmare. Is there such a thing as a low profile battery? Because someone was telling me online that you can get a low profile battery, and I don't know if the battery, because the battery's in the floor of the Bailey, with a low profile battery, then the lid won't press on it and it won't be so cramped in there, and maybe the connections won't be quite as under much pressure and come loose all the time. So have you heard of those? Or shall I just go get rid of these quick release clips and go back to the original clips and not have to worry about it so much? Anyway, yes, I'm delaying. I'm going to put this table away and then reconnect the battery, make sure the handbrake's off, which I've done, and make sure a few little things are ready, and then we'll be ready to go away. Watch this space. I spared you the footage of me trying to rescrew that in. It's reattached. I need to turn it on to see if it actually works. Yes, lights are working, so it's connected. It doesn't seem that's tight on to me. I reckon as soon as you open that lid up or move it again, those connections are going to spring loose again. But what can you do? So I think that's all sorted now. Table away, battery connected. Just got to move some clothes and bits and bobs in, and we can get away, and we'll do a video of that. I know you like watching our videos when we go away. So thanks for watching. Lots more good stuff to come, as I say. And thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for being a regular viewer, subscribing, all that sort of stuff. And we've got plenty more to come. Cheers. Damn you, nettles.